All right, guys, today we're at M1 Concours in Pontiac, Michigan, and we have my 2022 Subaru BRZ, and we have a 2022 BMW 230i. Rear-wheel drive, 8-speed automatic, about 3,500 pounds, 255 horsepower, around 300 pound-feet of torque. BRZ has 228 horsepower, but it only weighs 2,800 pounds. We're gonna do a drag race and see who wins. We've got substitute TOPher. Hello. In the BMW, yes, and I'm gonna drive the BRZ. Let's just hop right to it.
Let's just try it out.
Yeah, why wait?
Do you have launch control?
I do not, but you do. I was gonna try to be on a set of stock tires today, but I couldn't get my summer tires mounted in time. So we're on the track setup, which is a set of 16-inch 225/50 R16 R888s, which is actually a pretty good drag racing tire. So we have a little bit of an advantage in that respect. I'm gonna turn traction control off.
You ready to go? You
ready? Should we just do honks?
I have to set up my launch control.
Oh, well, I've already won because I could have gone already.
You have to be in Sport Plus, configure Sport Plus traction, and then you can set off with your launch control. All right, ready?
Couple car lengths on the BRZ.
That's it, BMW wins. I will admit though, he was closer than I thought he was going to be.
All right, no slouch.
Yeah, launch control.
Yeah.
I should do it without launch control in manual mode.
No, let's try a rolling start.
A rolling?
Yeah, let's try like a, I don't know, 25, 30 mile an hour roll.
Okay.
On the way back.
All right.
All right. The smell of burnt BRZ clutch. Beep, beep, beep. All right, better. A little bit better.
Goodbye, sir. Yeah.
Launch control definitely helps.
Yeah, you were a little closer that time.
Yes. Yeah.
This is a quick car.
It's no slouch.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you know, it's a BMW, so it's probably a little bit underrated in terms of power.
Yeah, this probably makes 250 to the wheels.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. And this is about 210 to the wheels, 215 if you were lucky.
But with the weight difference, it's pretty equal.
Yeah, you're right.
But the ZF 8-speed in this can shift faster than any human.
Yeah, and I keep messing up my shifts too.
You do?
Yeah.
Racing drivers' excuses.
I know. The sun was in my eye. My leg hurts. I had an itch.
Oh, did you?
I think there was a mosquito in the car.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm slow.
Okay.
Same thing, we'll just do it again.
Same thing. Do you want to switch sides of the track?
Sure. Switch sides of the track. Like that'll make him any slower. Do you want to do a no launch control?
I'll go without launch control.
All right.
Yeah.
I need all the help I can get. I'm still not going to win.
I'll go in manual mode too, so I can mess up my shifts also.
Yep, BMW's faster.
And passed him at about 80 miles an hour there. It's interesting though, without launch control, quite a bit faster, but I mean, I'm just going straight out of drive, foot to the floor without revving at all, so. Well, there you go. The BMW 230i is faster than the Subaru BRZ with the TOPher at the wheel, and he's doing a lap now as well.
Well, while we're here, maybe let's do some laps. That'll be fun. So R888s, we've got a set of Rota Slipstreams that I was able to find, 16-inch wheels, 225, 50 R16s, meaty sidewalls. It's grippy. Stock brakes, but I did change the fluid last night. We're running StopTech 600 fluid. So much more power from this BRZ. It really does feel good out here. Gonna need to upgrade those brakes at some point. Stock brakes getting a little squishy. We'll take it easy on the straights. Car feels really balanced though. Really love this power. And it is nice to have an oil temperature gauge showing that we're between 190 and 270. I wish there was a little bit of a higher resolution spread on there. Are coming back nicely. We have about 1,200 miles on the odometer. Ooh, that gearing is ideal for that corner. Definitely gonna need some camber for that front end. Get the car rotated a little bit under throttle. Not my best driving this year. I am a little bit rusty out here, I will admit. It is so beautifully balanced on throttle though. A lot more grip out here than I'm used to on these R888s. It's gonna be a fun track tire setup. I'm running about stock placard tire pressures. Hot, about 31 PSI cold. There's a little, just a casual shakedown. I'm really gonna push this a little bit more at Gingerman later this year, but I wanted to get a feel for it. Stock, out of the box. Unfortunately, we're running crazy tires today because I couldn't get my Michelin Primacies mounted in time, but I think we need to do brakes, and I think we need to do some front camber and see how that changes the character of the car, and maybe at that point, we'll look into rear sway bars. So, cool. All right, we're gonna do a little cool down lap here, and that'll be the end of this video. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later. I will say this new BRZ is better on track than the old car, just down to the fact that it actually has power now. I think overall, there's a little bit more grip from the suspension in this new car. It's not as finely tuned, it's not as dialed in, it's not as neutral as the previous generation BRZ is, but the GR86 is pretty good. The advantage to the BRZ is you get a softer, slightly softer ride out of the car. So, you know, you're sacrificing some performance for ride quality, which I guess is okay. All right, well, let's walk you around this real quick, and that'll be the end of this video. This is a incredibly meaty looking tire setup. These R888s look really good. Of course, there are compounds, so they're our compound 225 width, which is probably the equivalent of about 245 or 235s in another tread. Yeah, we'll be burning off those stock brakes soon enough. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Thoughts on the drag race?
I beat you.
Yeah, you won.
Yeah.
Fair and square.
Fair and square in a car that isn't mine, so it's not really a...
Yeah, well, you know, it pulled. I had a good launch on you second or third race.
You did, and it
but
just reeled you in.
Yeah, you reeled
about
it in.
75.
They're reasonably close, but I mean,
yeah.
You know, BMW power, can't beat it. Good race, man.
Good race.
That'll be a wrap.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you later. Stay tuned for more on this 230i. We're going to do a little track test here at M1 Concours, and then of course we'll also do a full POV street driving review. All right.
Sounds good.
Let's go.